Hi everyone, it's your favorite burping witch, Andrea. I'm here to help you with some affirmations that will better your boring ass fucking life. And also some manifestations that will bring big dick energy into your life. And just remember, I'm not here to fucking please anybody but myself. It's my burping world. And you're just living in it. Let's start off with some beautiful burping affirmations. I'm the reason why your boyfriend keeps his phone on silent. Oh, he's too busy thinking about this throat magic. I didn't wake up to be polite. I woke up to slay, queef, and burp a little. And I manifest like a bad bitch. And of course my fucking spell jar is an empty hot Cheeto bag. And baby, my vibe is half holy water and half ass water. I drink both. So remember, you fat burping bitch, you are a queen and you're gonna slay these boys with one burp at a time. I hate fucking people who don't think that women fart and burp. I burp and fart all the time. I'm a woman, sort of. So why is it okay for men to fucking sit there, burp, fart, pull my finger kind of bullshit, but the tiniest little queef or the tiniest little burp and fart that a girl does is fucking disgusting, and they're running out the fucking thing. Yeah, girls' farts might smell a little bit more fishier, more disgusting, but they're beautiful. Now repeat after me. I am a gorgeous, unhinged goddess. I attract more attention than a drunk girl at a karaoke bar. My burps are more powerful than your mama's prayers. And if they can't handle me at my filthiest, then they definitely can't handle me at my burpiest. In this part of the show, I am going to give out some psychic readings. And if you feel like this psychicness is directed towards you, then honey, this message is yours. So right now, I'm tapping into the burping spirits. The line is open. Honey, you're talking to this new guy? Don't even give him the fucking time of day. The spirits are telling me that he has weird fucking nipples and an anime pillow that he sits there and fucks every night. Don't even start with him. What's that? Oh, okay. I like that. So if you're talking to a blonde guy named Brandon, just know he's a feedie, and that's a good thing. Girl, he'll sit there and try to make you fat, but you're going to pretend that you don't want to eat. No, I'm not hungry. No, I don't want extra chili cheese fries. And just let him keep piling it the fuck on, because baby, you love to eat. What happened? Ooh, you don't say. Girl, let's just say that the girl that you're talking to lets her dog lick peanut butter off her panocha. Disgusting. Ooh, okay. That promotion that you've been working hard for, you're not gonna get it. Just go into his fucking office, burp on everything that he owns, shit on the desk, rip up all those fucking paperwork, because you know what, honey? He's using you like a fucking bum. Oh, that rash you have? It's gonorrhea. Ooh, really? Honey, you thought you lost the remote? It shoved up your fat roll. And that guy you're talking to on Tinder? Delete him. He's a PDF file. And your dog that ran away? Got hit by a car. Okay, last one. This one's a big one. I call onto the burping spirits to give me a good and accurate reading for these lonely losers. Your man is cheating on you with his cousin. Well, you gotta thank the spirits for that one. So, a few of our followers had submitted in some questions and they want some advice. Here we go. Our first anonymous writer says, Dear Andrea, that's me. My man keeps liking booty pics but won't like any of my posts. What should I do? Take a picture of yourself taking a shit on the front lawn. And if you want the likes, take a nude photo with his dad. And honey, if that don't work, give me his number. I'll go fuck him. Next follower says, Dear Andrea, that's me. Dear Andrea, I keep burping during sex and pretending that it's part of my moans. Am I going to hell? Girl, you are not going to hell. You're leading the fucking conga line and I'm 2 steps behind you. Fake it till you fucking make it. I'm coming. See? Another follower writes, Dear Andrea, that's me. Dear Andrea, I keep dating Scorpios. Am I okay? No, bitch. You're the reason why this whole fucking planet's on fire. Drink some fucking water, moisturize your fucking pussy, and block every fucking Scorpio you know. I have my bad run-ins with fucking Scorpios. We don't talk about Devin no more. The last follower writes, Dear Andrea, that's me. Dear Andrea, every time I climax, I cry and fart. Is that normal? Are you fucking kidding me, bitch? That's iconic. That's called a holy release. You're shedding fucking layers, baby. That's your soul. And your ass clapping. You don't need fucking therapy. You need a fucking towel. All this psychic energy is making me so hungry. Let's see what sponsored snack we have today. Kevin, bring me my fucking snacks. Thanks, Kevin. So today's sponsored snack is 7-Eleven Yum Yuns. They're like Funyuns, but for poor burping bitches like us. Who gives a fuck? I'm not spending $5 fucking on something that's gonna make my fucking breath smell like onions. When I can do that for free, I can lick Devon's fucking ass. My breath would definitely smell like onion with his onion booty. 7-Eleven Yum Yuns. These are only like $1.97, and they're basically the same as, what's that brand? Funyuns! And I actually prefer these ones because they're so much softer and they don't cut the roof of your fucking mouth. Delicious. So now that your breath smells like you've been tongue fucking Devon's ass all day, go and fucking kiss somebody new. Never be fucking shy to have bad breath, bad manners, bad burps. Because remember, whore, you're a bad bitch. Coca-Cola, it just energizes my soul. And it powers my gut. And it powers my burps. Alright, you fucking sluts, that's it for today. But just remember, my burps are holy, and my holes are protected. You are divine. You are disgusting. You are dehydrated. You are loved. Oh, my crusty little assholes. Alright, my burping sluts, that's all the burps I got in my stomach for today. And if you feel like your soul's not healed, then bitch, go get a fucking exorcism. Or a snack. Or both. And if your life brings you drama, burp louder. I am Burping Girl Andrea, your burp witch. And I'll see you in your man's dreams tonight. Bye.